क्यों निकाल गिट्टी कहीं निकाल गिट्टा ने है बड़ा करो ऐसा हाँ जी हो गया जी गुड हो गया जी जबरदस्त हो गया जी
So, hello everyone. I think audio is working good at the moment. Let's see. We are live here on YouTube after a very, very long time. So, let me know, guys, in the comment section from where you are joining. Let me know. So, I think screen is showing off now. Good at the moment. Tell me from where you all are joining me. I see the best who commented. He's from Pakistan. Okay, nice to meet you, bro. Okay, guys, looking here on the gold after all is just break through this descending channel, which is like one, two, three, and then we have a break of this overall. Let's see this as a support, but as you all guys know, we don't trade support, so this for me is just like a trend formation. Like market was trending into the upside, and now here we have the first bearish fractal break. This is on the 15-minute time frame. So this is our first change of character. And now after a change of character, what we expect a pullback. So we have now just retraced into the premium prices like along the 50% range. For now, at the moment, this over here is your overall buy before the sell, which means this is the area of supply which can push the market price but lower. But at the moment, what it seems like it is bullish as well, not even on 15 minutes, even on 5 minutes. So let's assume this is overall buy before the sell, our area of supply. We took out liquidity above these highs. Now our fractal here on the 5 minute is at the low of this candle. Now, once we break this low, this means that this supply zone is valid and we can scale in for further sell position for the downside here on the gold, because we have like overall the low this week over here, which is like the starting of this overall consolidation phase. So we can take this soon in the coming near coming future. So this is what I think here on the gold. Then going into platinum XPT USD, it looked like similar here on the 15-minute time frame. We remain bullish as well, sorry, bearish as well. This is our fractal high, this was our fractal low. We break this becomes our fractal high, this is our fractal low. Let's see if we break this. For me, ideal long position will be only when we take these descending lows, and then I will preferably want to see a fractal shift, market structure shift, and then from the area of fresh demand we can scale into higher prices. Because for me this high overall over here is the high created due to the NFP data, which came out bad for US, not good. So this for me is just a liquidity build. So For me, this side needs to be taken out maybe in the near future, but still at the moment, fractal is bearish. Everything is trending bearish. No alert confirmation, but still these two lows which are acting as illiquidity. Even we can take this low as well, but once we take these two lows, if we get any bullish fractal break, then this becomes your area of demand. Go long from this overall demand chain. This for me is for platinum. Let's have a look on silver. So I was keeping eye on this like overall 15-minute area of imbalance, which is our area of supply. What after this news that I think Trump said to raise a 35% tariffs. Yes, okay, 35% tariff on EU if they fail to fulfill the commitment. So this that's why I we are seeing gold to pushing up higher, and also silver also needs to push up higher. So this could be just a liquidation event, and if we see any like a positive news event from the Donald Trump, like any trade deal between EU and US, this is the sign for it to reverse back to lower. But at the moment, fractal remain bullish from this low in towards this high. Let's take this as a fractal low. Okay, so now at the moment, this is your fractal low, and this over here is your fractal high. So once we break this fractal high, fractal low becomes at this point. So if we get any bearish fractal break, wait for the double fractal break, then becomes your area of supply and go short, because there is a lot of liquidity resting below these lows, you see. So this is like a nice ascending channel, and we can see a nice sell off within with the one big bearish candle. So this is my point of view here on the silver. Let's have a look on US oil is at very nice point to trade back up higher into the high. But for me, I think the ideal long situation will be when we get a nice fractal break. For at the moment, this is our 1 hour fractal break, which is fractal high, and this for me is the 1 hour change of fractal low, and we are at a very nice zone, maybe inside of, let's say, this area of consolidation as an area of demand. We tapped into it, we take out liquidity underneath these lows and seen a very nice reaction, but not enough reaction to break the fractal high, which was for me the bullish confirmation. But at the moment, supply remains in control. This buy before the sell pushes the market down lower at the moment. So I will preferably want to be like a fractal break, then a double fractal break. This is going to be like a confirmation for me. Then I will go long with my stop underneath the low safely and target one to reach to at least back to these two equal heights, which for me is our like initial target in US oil. So this is currently what I am looking at on USD oil. US oil here on USD Swiss demand is still holding, but not enough, because number one, we have ascending pattern. Number two, we are tapped into higher time frame area of supply. So let's see one more push up, liquidate these early sellers, and then if we get any bearish fractal break, so this for me would be an ideal situation to trade a sell position in USD Swiss at the moment. So overall dollar is weak against this currency. That's why it's just currently selling off at the moment. So Joy from Ethiopia, as always, welcome to the stream. Very happy to see you, bro. Nice to see here on the stream. So on what pair are you guys looking at? Tell me in the chat if you guys are looking at any pair at